Hello and welcome to my online guard card tutorial. This is Instructor Martin with Public Safety Institute. So what I'm going to go over today, I'm going to talk about the California guard card. And this is an easy process if you are computer savvy, if you want to save time, you want to save resources, you could definitely get access to your guard card information today, the same day, at home, online, in your mobile phone, or wherever you're from or wherever you're at also. So I'm going to share my screen first. So you're going to see the things that I'm doing here. So I'm sharing my screen here. And this is our page for the California Guard Card. However you come here through our website, social media, so it talks about what the Guard Card, the curriculum, my info. But you come here and you enroll in the course, click on it, and you're going to enter your information to sign up, place your order. It's going to take you directly to your training portal, which you're going to have access to this 24/7, anytime, your own login. And this is how the page looks like, your portal. On the left column, talks about the curriculum, and it's going to be on the right side. I'm going to go over here in a minute. Your instructor, which is me. You could always email me from this portal. And what's cool about this, once you complete the final exam, you're going to get what you're looking for, your certificate of completion that you complete the California Guard Card program. Okay. You're going to get it via email. You could download it and share it from any mobile phone or your desktop. But let's go to the curriculum. There's lessons here, which you need to complete. There's 15 lessons and another section called the Weapons of Terrorism and Weapons of Mass Destruction. Lesson 1, your roles and your responsibilities of a security officer. Lesson 2 is the relationship with the local police, observation and report writing, so on and so forth. So you click on the lesson plan, and it's going to give you the materials for the course. This is how our lessons and sections are laid out. It has follow-up questions for that particular lesson plan. And what's cool about it, I also have a summary of that lesson. Okay. Now, you cannot jump from lesson to lesson because it's gated. You have to complete the first lesson, then the next one, and so forth. It's going to take you to the final exam. And the final exam is multiple choice. For example, a security officer has the same powers to arrest as, let's put a peace officer, which is incorrect. You press check, and it gives you the correct answer. I'm going to give you a tip. Make sure you write down the correct answer because you need to get 100% in order for you to get your certificate. You can't get nothing wrong. So if you get one wrong or two, you have to do the test again, which will give you about 5 tries, 5 attempts. Okay, so it's pretty easy. Once you do that, we'll also have the final instructions, has a video, how to pay your state fee, the information, where to get your fingerprints done. And if you're from a different county or different area in California, you could definitely go into whatever county you live in. It's going to give you all the locations where they do fingerprints. It's really easy. There's 2 types of fingerprints. The first one is just the basic guard card live scan. This is the first one, says just security guard. It's important you download this one. It has the codes for security already. Now, if you want to do your gun permit is valid for correction. Your application and your fingerprints is valid for a whole year. So make sure you download the one that says security guard with firearm. This is if you're 100% positive you're going to do the gun training within 1 year. That's going to save you some money. You don't have to do fingerprints twice. But in summary, yeah, this is our online program. You click on home. You can have 24/7 access to this material, your instructor, and your certificate of completion. It's pretty easy. Now, you have 2 admin tasks you need to complete. One of them is to create an account with the state. With your Breeze account, has a video how to do the instructions. And the other section is to submit your guard card application to us. Attention to detail. Make sure you add your full address, the city, state, your social, phone number, email, and the ID and password that you created on the very first step. Okay, so we could definitely process your license faster. Okay. So let's go ahead and stop sharing my screen here. So again, I'm your instructor, Martin, with Public Safety Institute. This is our online program. It's really easy, pretty efficient, really convenient. So feel free to register and complete your guard card at your leisure.